Okay, folks, we're in the northern Wind River area, heading up to the Grand Tetons, and stopped this little river. I don't even know what. It's not even like a main river or anything, but it's beautiful. I just wanted to kind of show how clean some of this water is over here. You can probably drink it up in the mountains, and we're probably about, I don't know, a little less than 100 miles from Yellowstone, and probably maybe 50 miles from the Grand Tetons is where we're headed today. But just wanted to kind of show you the pretty water. We got a bunch of cottonwoods down here, and it's just flowing. No telling what kind of trout are in here. It's pretty nippy, but it's not crazy nippy, but it's nippy. And they got this crazy Asian walking around.